Hi there, students. Weltschmerz. Weltschmerz is a German word that talks about melancholy, pessimism, because the world is so imperfect. It gives the idea that you are world weary because there is so much discrepancy between how the world really is and how we would like it to be ideally. So, for example, every time I read the news, I get Weltschmerz. I see about war. They're fighting and shooting each other rather than talking about it and arguing. Injustice. There must be a fairer way. Exploitation of the third world. Come on, pay them decently. Starvation. Well, there's more than enough food to go round. So, Weltschmerz is this feeling that you get that the world is just not the wonderful place it could be. It's a type of romantic pessimism. Yeah, it's quite poetic as well. God, the world's so bad and it could be so good. Okay, so Weltschmerz. Depression because the world is not the wonderful place it might be. Maybe crime is a reflection of the Weltschmerz that many people feel in our society. If you read a book like 1984 by George Orwell, you will see the great difference between the ideal world that could be and the real world that there is. And I think Winston probably suffers from Weltschmerz. He's depressed by this reality. So being depressed by the realities of the world, being depressed at how things really are, when they could be so much better. Okay, this word comes from two German words, Welt, the world, and Schmerz, pain. So, pain about the world, pain from the world. Yeah, you're world weary, you're tired of seeing these sad situations again and again, which are so unnecessary. Okay, so it's this discrepancy between the real world and what you would really like to happen, and how this makes you feel melancholy, sad, depressed. Now, your next question, formality. Do not use this in an informal conversation in the pub. They're going to say, and what does that mean? It's an unusual word, yeah? This is a word that you should use in a very formal essay. I'd probably give it maybe 8 out of 10 in formality. It's not a word most people are going to know, but it's definitely a loan word from German, okay? Maybe you have these wonderful ideals about how your English is going to get wonderfully better every day, and in 6 months you're going to be speaking perfect English. And then you have a conversation with a native speaker and you make lots of mistakes and you have difficulty understanding, and they're not very comprehensive with you. So maybe from that you would get a feeling of Weltschmerz. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Weltschmerz.